Most of us know Jemima Puddle-Duck as the incredibly kind, slightly naive, and very trustworthy character from Beatrix Potter's classic tales. But there is one thing Jemima isn't exactly known for, being a graceful pilot. In the books, she's described as not much in the habit of flying. I've always loved that description. You can just imagine this lovable simpleton running full tilt down a grassy hill, flapping her shawl as hard as she can just to get enough momentum to leave the ground. As the laser brings her to life here, I wanted to capture that awkward, determined flight. She isn't soaring like an eagle, she's wobbling through the air with pure heart and very little technique. Watching the laser trace her shawl and her signature bonnet really brings back that nostalgic, childhood feeling. It's amazing how a few lines of light can capture so much personality. Even in laser form, Jemima looks like she's just one gust of wind away from a crash landing, but she's doing her absolute best. Thanks for watching this bit of laser nostalgia. If you enjoyed seeing Jemima take flight, stay tuned for more reimagined characters coming soon.